Hello there and welcome to Technophile. Hot off the press are these two new Google Pixel phones, the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. I've got my hands first on the Pixel 7 Pro and here's what I think of it. The design is great. I actually love the 6.7-inch screen size, which is curved at the sides. The glass back design stays and the aluminum wraparound has a glossy finish instead of the matte finish on the Pixel 7. There's a triple camera system at the back and the photos I've clicked with it are fairly stunning. The color saturation is lifelike and I love how this renders Indian skin tones across ranges. There are three features in particular that are damn impressive. This keeps the subject in the foreground in sharp focus while blurring out the background. It worked really well, as you can see right here. Second, the photo unblur lets you take any photograph saved on Google Photos. So this could even be a printed photograph that you shot on your phone, which was originally taken say 20 years ago. And if it's blurred, the new software will unblur it for you. This works out really well too. I also tried out Night Sight, which performed impressively in low light, as you can see in these photos right here. Both phones have the brand new processor Google Tensor G2, supporting all these features and more. And I have to tell you this, the battery life on the Pixel 7 Pro is amazing. It easily lasts beyond a day with moderate usage. And I'm in the process of a very detailed review to share a lot more hands-on experience with both the devices. So hit the subscribe button right now and stay tuned in for more.